In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI agents in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. Wrike is a fantastic project management tool, and with the addition of AI agents, it becomes even more powerful. These AI agents can help streamline your work processes, automate certain tasks, and even provide insights that can improve project outcomes. First, let's talk about what AI agents are within the context of Wrike. Think of them as virtual assistants designed to support you in managing your projects more efficiently. They can help with everything from scheduling tasks to generating reports. So, let's explore how to access and utilize these features effectively. To start, you'll want to log into your Wrike account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. The setup is pretty straightforward. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is where you'll find all your projects and tasks. Now, to utilize AI agents, look for the AI or automation section on the left sidebar of your screen. You might find an option labeled AI Assistant or something similar. Click on that, and you'll be welcomed with an array of functionalities that these agents offer. One of the most useful features is task automation. Let's say you need to assign tasks to your team members frequently. Instead of doing this manually, you can set specific rules for the AI to follow. For example, you could instruct the AI agent to automatically assign new tasks based on their type or the project they belong to. Just follow the prompts to create your rules, specify the conditions, and you'll see how quickly this can save you time. Next, consider using the AI for generating reports. Imagine having to compile data, project updates, and member performances into a report. It can be tedious, but with AI, you can simply ask the agent to create a report based on your specific parameters. You can request information on task completion rates, team member workloads, or any other data point you're interested in. The AI agent can gather this data and present it in a visually appealing report format. Don't forget about the AI's capacity for collaboration. If you're working with a remote team, you can leverage the AI to send reminders for upcoming deadlines or follow-ups on tasks. Just type in what you need, like send reminders for the marketing plan deadline on Friday, and watch how the agent handles it. As you start using these AI tools, a good tip is to provide feedback. Many AI systems learn and improve over time, and the more you interact with them, the better their outputs will become. So, give it a go and feel free to play around with the various functionalities. Finally, keep an eye on the updates section in Wrike. The company is constantly improving its features, and they may add even more capabilities to the AI agents in the future. Staying updated will ensure you're making the most out of this technology. And there you have it. That's a quick guide on how to effectively use AI agents in Wrike to improve your project management skills. Remember, incorporating AI into your workflow can seem a bit daunting at first, but with practice, it can become an invaluable part of your process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of technology in your work life. Happy Wriking!